Okay, it is official. I just got out of work, and straight ahead is the vehicle that Michelle rented out from Classic Ford yesterday. It's EcoSport by Ford. Very nice. Yeah, we're going to be hitting the road. Oh, by the way, how's everyone doing? Thanks again for joining Ed and Michelle on the Great Indoors. And this guy over here, I think, wants to get into that parking spot, but he didn't want to run me over. We are going to be taking this vehicle to Columbus. So, let's get the show on the road. Yeah, Michelle did a great job. I got to give her credit. She picked out a nice car for this road trip over here. It's got a lot of doohickeys on it that I'm not quite familiar. You got to put your foot on the brake and hit the button, not turn the key. Normally, when we go on a road trip that's of any substantial distance, I feel it's better to use a rental car because we have a lot of mileage on our Ford Edge, and it just makes better sense to get something that only has, what, 12,000 miles on it, and we are ready to rock and roll. So, yeah, let's get the show on the road. I'll see you guys out there. Thanks again. I kind of freaked out for a second over here because as I was getting ready to leave, I noticed that my seat was getting warm. And oh boy, that shocked the heck out of me because I'll be honest with you, I am not used to seats being warmed unless they're done naturally, if you know what I mean. Okay, yeah. But anyway, yeah, this is a pretty nice car. Oh my gosh. Michelle really did a good job picking this one out. Oh yeah. Kudos, Michelle. Kudos. If you're feeling generous, please hit that like button and the subscribe button. And while you're at it, hit the notification bell so you can be kept in the loop. Okay, we are on the road again. And hey, Michelle, how you doing? Are you enjoying your EcoSport by Ford?
It's quiet. But I got heated seats.
Yeah, I was telling them about that earlier, that we don't have to fart to get them warmed up, you know?
Thanks to Cheryl, Candace, and Jamie having heated seats now, I love it.
All right. And we're coming right now. We're still in the Northeast Ohio area. The exit that we're going to be going past is the one that would typically take us to Northfield Park or MGM Northfield Park. But we are not going there today. We are on the road to Columbus, Ohio and Scioto Downs. And what makes that place exciting for both me and Michelle is that it's got a hotel actually attached to the casino. So we don't have to go outside or take a shuttle or get in a golf cart or something like that. We are going to be right there with all the action. So join us for the rest of this trip. We'll bring you back when we are closer to our destination.
OH.
I-O. Okay, we are now in Lodi at the Travel America Go Oasis Travel Center. Gas over here is $2.59 a gallon. Michelle is inside getting some liquid refreshments. We stopped earlier in the previous rest area, and there was such a long line at the Mickey D's over there that we just decided we would move on to the next exit. So here we are. The road is calling. I must answer. See you guys out there. And here she comes. Michelle got some liquid refreshments. She wanted the iced coffee, but I think she settled for the Diet Coke. You got Diet Coke or I got the regular Coke. Yeah. All right, what did you get to drink? Oh, you ended up settling on the Diet Coke?
Yeah.
She is not a fan of Diet Coke, just for the record. So that's a downgrade on her side. To me, Coca-Cola is what it's all about. But what is it that you wanted? The iced coffee, something like that?
It's okay. Iced coffee or iced tea is the best.
Life is full of sacrifices, right? That's how I look at it.
I don't have to drive, so I don't care.
All right, let's get back on the road. Michelle has officially relinquished her driving duties as we are heading south, and it is now a beautiful day for a road trip. Hey, Michelle?
That's right.
Isn't that nice how the sun has come out as we have gotten further away from Northeast Ohio? This is beautiful out here, ain't it?
Yeah. Want to go swimming outside?
Yeah. Oh, maybe some ice fishing, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, I'm in the driver's seat now, and we are a go for Columbus. We just passed the Ashland exit, and a little fun fact for you guys, Ashland, Ohio is where the bank scene was shot for the Shawshank Redemption, where Andy Dufresne went to cash in his money and everything. Right, Michelle?
Correct.
Yeah, we went there last year to make a video out of that when we were going to Mansfield Reformatory, another place that'll be coming up pretty soon, where they use that as the filming location for the prison, the reformatory, which was Shawshank. It was actually filmed in Mansfield. So
check us out in our back archives of our videos to see the Shawshank Redemption.
If you can't say it, Michelle, then people aren't going to watch it. So Shawshank Redemption.
Shawshank Redemption.
Yeah, okay. Let's get back to the road. All right, we made it. After a little bit of a snafu, we are at Hampton Inn Suites. It is connected to the casino. And now we will go check in, and I'll give you a room tour. Okay, we are on the 3rd floor, room 317. We go to the right, Michelle. That lady at the front desk was very, very friendly, and they got the cleaning people still doing their thing here. It's not even 3 o'clock yet, so we're going to be getting close to being checked in right around when they allow people to get checked in. You just, there you go.
Oh.
Entree.
Close it.
And it's sealed, so you know we're the first ones to enter since it's been cleaned.
Wow. Oh, this is nice.
Oh yeah.
Look at this.
Very, very cool. It's kind of got that modern look to it, you know? This is not what we're used to seeing at Soaring Eagle. This is very up to date. Very cool. Very nice. What do you think, Michelle? How much was this now? $125 or something like that?
Yeah.
That's not a bad deal.
For Saturday night?
I know that during the busy season, when it gets to be around March, or not, what is it?
May.
In May, the prices go up to like $189 for a weekend stay. So I think that it's, you know, pretty cool. I think that they also are affiliated with the Racino, so you could earn points there and get comps. Let's turn on the light in this bathroom here. Okay, yeah, they got the walk-in shower over here. Very cool.
What side of the bed? Which one do you
I'll
want?
take the window side. And then they have an adjoining room over here where if you had like guests, they could, you know, interact with each other over there. All right, we'll give you a quick tour of the downstairs casino, and that would show you how it's all linked into one facility. Okay, I guess we are not going to the pool. If you were looking forward to a pool video, no pool. It's closed due to the COVID thing.
Oh,
So,
that bathing suit's gonna have more travel.
but this, what I do like about this is it has the casino adjoining the hotel. So they do have a fitness room over here, which is pretty nice.
And that can't be closed?
Not that I'm going to be going to work out, but it's there in case I wanted it. Right, Michelle?
That's all right.
Yeah.
This is my workout right now.
There you go. The gaming restaurant straight ahead.
Wow, look at this. Yeah.
It's pretty cool. You gotta love it. They got the whole Dash Cafe over there. Little bar over here. and then the Brew Brothers over there, and a lot of slots. All right. Turns out that since the casinos have gone back to being open 24, I was talking to one of the cleaning people, and they were saying that it's been pretty busy since the reopen. And I know you can see behind me, but yeah, there's a lot of people on a Saturday afternoon getting their gambling fix in. $1.76 on dancing food, and we just made it to the bonus round. I'm already $40 into this machine also, so hopefully I could recoup some of that. Wish me luck. Here we go. That's good. Hopefully that'll open up. All right. It's a good start. I've played this machine many a time before, and these bonuses can be pretty good if we could get these coins to start opening up and creating more wilds. $8.32. Let's keep it going. Open up, open up. No, did not open up. All right, let's get some money. Show me the money. All right. We're up to about $12, and we got about 4 spins left. Nope, that wasn't so good. Get up there and get we could get the mini for 13, the minor for $35. That would look nice right now. We only got 2 spins left though to make it happen. Six times 192 on that one. Sweet. All right, up to 24. Open up, open up, get up there. Oh, nothing. Last spin. All right, we got about a $25 win on that bonus round. All right. Up to 43. We'll give it a couple backup spins and cash out. See how he was starting to rise? All right, I'm going to cash it out. Cut my losses on this machine. I made some of it back, but I'm still down. Thank you again for watching, everybody. Have a great indoors day. Bye-bye.